discuss about the important topic is relation between the COP of the heat pump, COP of the refrigerations and efficiency of the heat engine. Heat pump is nothing but it is maintaining the high temperature as compared to the surrounding, and the refrigeration is nothing but it is maintaining the lower temperature as compared to the surrounding, and heat engine is nothing but the some amount of the heat will be utilized to the work and some amount of the heat will be rejected to the sink. Now I am going to discuss about the COP. What is the COP? The COP is nothing but it is a desired effect upon work input. This is a desired effect over the work input. Right? Now, first one is a COP of the heat pump. Right? This is a heat pump. The work will be supplied in this heat pump. This device is a heat pump. What is the main motto of the heat pump? The heat pump is nothing but it is maintaining the higher temperature as compared to the surrounding. High temperature as compared to the surrounding. Here the temperature is the TH, here the temperature is the TL. Heat will be supplied in the QL and this one is the Q of H. Right? Now, what is the desired effect in the case of the heat pump? What is the desired effect in the case of the heat pump? COP of the heat pump is equal to desired effect. What is desired? To maintain the high temperature. That means this is the desired one is QH, and work input is equal to, how to calculate the work input? Here inside is equal to the outside. What is the inside of the heat pump? QL plus W. This is QL plus W is equal to Q of H. This means W is equal to QH minus of Q of L. Put the value in the work input. This one is a QH minus of QL. This is a COP of the heat pump. This is equation number 1. Equation number 1. Now look at here again the COP of the refrigeration. COP of the refrigeration. And refrigeration is nothing but it is a device which maintaining the lower temperature as compared to the surrounding. Like this. Right? Here. Which is maintaining the lower temperature. Here work will be given to the system. This is desired. This one is a refrigeration, for example. This one is a heat pump. This is higher temperature, this one is a lower temperature, this is a QL and this one is a Q of H. What is the desired effect? What is the desired effect in the case of the refrigeration? What is desired? You want to maintain the lower temperature as compared to the surrounding. What is the COP? COP of the refrigeration is equal to the COP of the refrigeration is equal to the, what will be the desired? In this case, QL will be the desired. This is again QH minus QL. Equation number 2. Right? Equation number 2. Now, from the equation number 1 and 2, 1 minus 2. What is the relationship between the COP of the heat pump and COP of the refrigeration? From equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation number 1 को equation number 2 से minus कर दो. Here the COP of the heat pump minus COP of the refrigeration, COP of the refrigeration is equal to the, how much COP of the heat pump? This one will be the QH minus Q of I. Right? Now here QL over the QH minus Q of L. LCM is QH minus QL. Here you can write the QH minus QL over the QH minus of QL. That means 1. That means 1. Now the COP of the heat pump is equal to the 1 plus the COP of the refrigerator. refrigeration. This is the relation between the COP of the heat pump and COP of the refrigeration. That's it. That's it. This is a known as a COP, means coefficient of performance, or it is also known as a energy performance ratio. Sometimes is known as a energy performance ratio. Energy performance ratio. Sometimes called the EPR, means coefficient of performance ratio. Now, here COP of the heat pump is equals to 1 plus the COP of the refrigeration. If give the COP of the refrigeration is 5, what is the will be the COP of heat pump? 1 plus COP of refrigeration. You can calculate from this formula. Now, I want to discuss about the efficiency of the engine with related to the COP. How to relate it, or how to calculate the efficiency by using the COP. Right? Now, we already calculate the COP of the heat pump. COP of the heat pump already calculated. What will be the value of COP of heat pump? Desired fit is QH minus of QL. Right? Here, यहाँ पे आप QH और QH से हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर क्या आ जाएगा ऊपर बचेगा 1 QH over the QH, 1 minus QL over the QH. Right? Means here you can calculate 1 over the QH minus QL over the Q of H. This one is the efficiency of the heat engine. This one is known as this whole term is known as the efficiency of the heat engine. The COP of the heat pump is equals to efficiency of the heat engine. Is it clear? Now, if energy performance ratio of the energy performance ratio is equals to 1 over the efficiency of the heat engine. Efficiency of the heat engine. Right? This is the relations between the efficiency and the COP of the heat pump. That's it. If you want to calculate the efficiency of the means COP of the refrigerations, right? You can calculate COP of the refrigeration is equals to the 1 COP of heat pump minus of 1. Means COP of heat pump is nothing but 1 upon the heat pump minus 1. You can calculate the COP of the refrigeration on the engine. Right? So this is the basic concept of the refrigerations, heat pump and heat engine. Thank you so much.